Hey guys, in last video we have seen how to rename multiple files in one goal by two methods. Today we are going to see how to delete a last page in any Word document. Sometimes it's the one page, sometimes there are many. Basically, when you write CV or a resume and during editing, due to some errors, these pages are being created and you cannot delete them with a simple method. So while printing, we have to take care that the number of pages we select for printing. But what if you send this CV to your employer or any recruitment agency and they have given to a secretary, a junior lady or a junior guy to print and bring to his table, what that junior guy will do? He will give print command and whatever pages has been printed, they will go to the recruiters or the top management who is going to conduct your interview, his table. Think about when he notices that your CV has some blank pages at the end and you did not bother to delete it, it will create a very bad impression. So these problems, many people they ask me that how we can do that, and even I was facing the same problem. So I decided to find out, and fortunately I got to the root of the problem and I could solve. Most of you guys might be knowing this, but I am just telling as some people might not be knowing. So let's see how we will do that. This is the file. We are going to check how many pages are there blank at the end. Let's open this file. This is my CV. Go down. There are 6 pages. Okay. Go down. We are on the 6th page, only one page is extra. Now if I delete backspace, it is going here and it was 2022 and the 2 has been deleted but the page has not gone. Okay, if I keep the cursor there only and if I press delete, it comes down, but it is not still deleting the page. Let me go back and keep my original file as it is. Okay. In this case, some people do with this tab. Let's press and see what happens. It is showing current column bank blah blah, and if I go here, if I make delete back, no, it is not happening. Again it has gone to here and nothing has happened. Okay, let me go back and go to my original page. Now in this case, there is another one way which can remove this page. Go to layout, go to margin, custom margin, again layout, see section start, new page. If you go down and select continuous and OK, some margins are outside the printable area of the page. Try moving these margins inside the printable area. Maybe that is what is the problem, but it is very difficult for us to know what is the problem. So when I make it fix and then make it OK, my last page has gone. Let me just repeat how it was. You have to go to margin, custom margin, then layout, and then you have to select continuous and make it OK. Then if any message is coming, you have to make it fix or OK, and then everything, the blank page will be deleted. Well, if you like my CV, I'm going to make another one video where I will just explain how to make a good CV or a resume. Anyway, I hope it helped you and you will be solving any problem you will come across. Let me save this. And finally, thanks for watching. Do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon to get such new videos. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.